I'm Rhonda and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing y'all just a simple recipe that I have used throughout the years. This has got me through many a dinners when I had a lot to do, when I was working, when the kids were little and you just had to throw together something fast. This was one of my go-tos. And it's just simply chicken and rice. I have got my chicken here. I'm going to season my chicken. Now I took my little pounder here and I have pounded this because this chicken looked like it was about 8 inches thick, if I'm being honest. So we just pounded this out a little bit because when it's so big and thick like that, it doesn't cook exactly like I want it to. It tastes like rubber. So we pounded it just a little bit to tenderize it, okay? I am going to season this now. My nose is itching, of course. I'm going to season it, some salt, some pepper. We're going to do both sides. Don't want one side to get jealous. Some pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder. Just simple seasoning, nothing fancy here. Alright, then I'll put a little accent on it. Yeah, there we go. Alright, I'm going to flip it over and do the same on the other side. Get this chicken all happy here. Looking kind of sad.
We don't want no sad chicken.
We don't want no sad chicken. We want delicious chicken that's happy. Alright. Try not to touch anything. So some salt. Just going to repeat those steps there. Good old chicken and rice. You just can't beat these little simple recipes. I try to do things simple. I've had so many people say, hey, I can't cook. Give us something simple. So that is what I've tried to do on just about all my recipes. I think anybody could throw it together. Onion powder, garlic powder, and just a little accent. And that's it for this part. You'll see how, about out of that, you'll see how easy this is to throw together. Alright, we're going to now just lay our chicken all side by side, real friendly. Right there. Now, I am going to use a cup of just whatever rice you have. I like the parboiled rice. That's just me personally. And we're going to throw that chicken. I'm doing 1 cup. Now you can double this recipe, but I'm going with 1 cup. We will have lots of leftovers with this. Now, I have got a 1.5 cups of just regular water here, okay? And I am going to dump a can of cream of chicken. So cream of chicken and 1.5 cups of water. Now, to just pick it up just another little notch, I'm going to put some onion. This is like the Lipton beefy onion, but it's not the beefy onion, it's just the onion soup pack. It is the Food Line brand, so it works just fine. And I'm just going to mix all this together, all that loveliness together. Just going to give it a quick mix. You can use cream of mushroom if you want to, but I do like the cream of chicken with the chicken things. Now, we are just going to pour this on top of this chicken. It's as simple as that. Just pour it on this chicken. And we're going to cover her up. Now, I have the oven set at 350. And let me get all this goodness out of here. Lord, thought something failed. Get all this goodness. We ain't trying to leave nothing behind. Get all our little change. Alright. Now, just going to give this a little, just spread it across it. I got a lot of dishes to do now, don't I? Now, a little more pepper. Just a little whisper of pepper, a little kiss of pepper there. And just going to cover it up. Look how fast that was. Now, we're going to bake it at 350 for about 45 minutes. We'll give it a check to see where it's at. And fluff it up a little bit. And if it needs to go a little longer, we'll go a little longer. But it should not take more than an hour. Alright, y'all. This chicken and rice has been cooking about an hour and 5 minutes. I baked it at 350 covered. And it is all ready to go. This is also something that's good in the crock pot. You can just kind of throw it in there in the morning and just let it cook slow. But come on, Russell. Give it a little taste. Tell us what you think.
Hey, y'all. Well, I think it's going to be supper.
It's going to be dinner.
Good. Juicy.
Supper.
Supper. We from
supper.
the South.
I know.
It ain't dinner. It ain't dinner.
We don't say dinner, y'all.
I don't know what she talking about. It ain't dinner and lunch. Dinner is lunch for us people in the South. I'm going to have some dinner.
Have some dinner. Some supper.
Looks pretty good, y'all.
It's hot. It's popping hot.
Oh, yeah.
Simple chicken and rice.
Absolutely perfect. It's delicious. The rice is tender.
All that flavor.
It's tender. Got all that flavor in it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's good, y'all. For real. This is what's up.
Good old chicken and rice.
Can't beat it with a stick.
Nope, can't be. You cannot. But something simple, something quick.
All right.
Throw it together and go.
Well, on days where you're busy and got a lot going on.
Yes, Lord.
File that away in the little old recipe book.
In your little recipe box.
Yep.
Yep.
And if you want to find that recipe, all you got to do is click on the description and it'll be right there under more. Hit on more and it'll drop. And there it'll be.
Like magic.
Yeah, it appears right there every time.
Just like magic. Yep. But yep. We always have our recipes.
Every recipe on every video. Every single one. Yep.
So if you don't have time, just fast forward it.
You know, you can still let it run. You can look at the recipe. You can go back
and watch.
And just let it run while you cook. You know, you ain't got to quit watching. You could just go ahead and get the recipe and let it play while you're doing other things, right?
That's right. Yep. That's right. But this is real simple to get together. Only just a few ingredients. And you'll have dinner.
Throw it in the casserole dish. Yeah, that was pretty easy. I believe even I could do that.
I think you could.
I know.
Children can do this.
I believe it. I believe I can handle this one, y'all.
That's right. So,
hey, and it tastes good. It really does. I mean, you know.
Yeah, that.
You want to impress your significant other and don't feel confident about your cooking skills, you make this for them. They'll be like, man, hey, what'd you do to this?
It's really good.
Yep.
So give this a try, y'all.
Yeah.
And y'all keep watching, keep subscribing.
Yeah.
Y'all
we appreciate every one of you.
Absolutely. And until next time.